Can you hear what I hear in the trees? The sound of insects. Yeah, it's the sound of insects and the sound of river, peaceful sceneries of nice jungle scene. Look at that. It's lovely. You can hear the sound of the birds, the insects chirping, the trees. Look at that, look at the trees. Oh, look at the trees. Oh, look at the trees. They're very high up. It's beautiful, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is Mother Nature. Look at the sky. Look at the sky. It's all Mother Nature. Yeah, it's beautiful.